Hiker of every level and non-hiker too can access view of the deep canyon and incredible red sandstone cliff of this land of natural wonder. Colorful cliff within Zion National Park provide unforgettable view. Ride horseback, hike, bicycle or ride a shuttle through the canyon to observe striking geological formations each from orange, pink and white layer of sandstone. The terrain offers delightful trail for every hiking skill level. Ride the 80-minute round trip shuttle, stepping off at multiple points to take photo. For easy to moderate walk, follow Pearls Trail along the Virgin River or Lower Emerald Pool Trail to reach waterfall, but provide views. Ride horseback along Sand Bench Trail and hike a top landslide. For the greater challenge, make the strenuous half-day hike 27 switch back to Angel's Landing, reach 1,500 feet or 460 meters above the valley floor for 36-degree view of Zion Canyon. Far below, hike through the narrow at river level, learn to canyoner on the subway trail to Keyhole Falls, or hike to Collab Arch, one of the world's largest freestanding arches. Try other activity, wilderness backpacking camping, river tubing, four-wheel drive touring, rock climbing, and of course taking beautiful photographs. Looking for more than 900 species of plants, some seemingly growing from bare rock. Over 200 kind of birds live here or migrate through. Spot the brown shape of mule deer or desert bighorn sheep moving slowly in front of orange sandstone, and look for California condor high on the cliff. This popular site attract millions of visitors annually, meaning parking spaces with the canyon fill rapidly. Park in Springdale and catch the free Springdale shuttle for convenient park access, then use the free hop on hop off Zion Canyon shuttle to move within the park.